You ready for a little dollhouse time? In this episode, we're focusing on the detail and trim work. And welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jennifer Moore, helping you discover your love of sewing crafts and DIY projects. We are on the never-ending journey to complete the Beachside Bungalow dollhouse by Real Good Toys. We're going to be focusing on some of the little things in this episode, like doing the trim work, cutting out some pieces, doing yet some more painting, and then the exterior of the house will mostly be done. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sewing Report for everything sewing crafts and DIY projects. If you'd like to see all the other dollhouse videos, I'm going to link the playlist below. And be sure to also follow me on Twitch. I'm going to be doing some live streams, hopefully semi-regularly. Over there, username also Sewing Report. I'll see you guys next time. I'm Jennifer Moore.